In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Civil 3D drawing as PDF. We'll begin inside your Civil 3D drawing. Make sure what you see is exactly what you want to publish. Turn on the layers you need, freeze or hide anything that shouldn't appear, zoom to the correct area, and save the file so your layout or model view is ready to go. If you're using layouts with title blocks and viewports, switch to the right layout tab first. Next, go to the ribbon at the top and open the Output tab. In the Plot panel, click Plot. If you prefer the command line, type plot and press enter to open the same plot dialog. This is where you'll configure everything for the PDF. In the printer plotter dropdown, select DWG to PDF. This is the built-in PDF driver for AutoCAD and Civil 3D and produces clean vector output. If multiple PDF options appear, choose the standard DWG to PDF PC3 to keep results consistent across different computers. Now set up your sheet. Pick the paper size that matches your intended output like A4, A3, or the appropriate ANSI ISO size. Choose the correct orientation, portrait or landscape, so your content fits naturally. Under plot area, decide what you want to include. Layout is best when plotting from paper space with viewports and a title block. Extents captures everything visible in the current space. Window lets you manually select a region. If you use window, carefully frame the exact area you need. You can also check center the plot if the drawing isn't sitting nicely on the page, and verify the plot offset reads center. Set the scale next. For deliverables that must be to scale, enter a precise value such as £1.100 or £1.50. If an exact scale isn't required, fit to paper is fine. Keep an eye on the units, paper units versus drawing units, so the printed scale matches expectations. Use the preview button to confirm line weights, hatch density, and text size look correct. If your organization relies on a plot style table, choose the appropriate one here to control color or monochrome output and line weight behavior. When everything is dialed in, click OK. Choose a save location, give the file a clear and descriptive name, and click Save, including the project code, sheet number, and date helps with version control. Civil 3D will create the PDF and place it in your chosen folder. It's a good habit to open the PDF right away to verify the scale, orientation, and visual quality before sharing or archiving, and that's it. With the DWG to PDF driver and carefully chosen plot settings, you can produce consistent professional PDFs from your Civil 3D drawings every time.